Welcome to Talks with Nikhil, a place to relax, learn English naturally, and grow a little every day. I'm glad you're here. Every morning starts the same way. The alarm rings, the room is quiet, and for a few seconds, I wonder, what kind of day will this be? A good day? A busy day? A lazy day? No one knows yet. But one thing never changes. I start with my daily routine. And today, you're going to learn how to talk about your daily routine in simple, natural English. Let's begin. Morning routine. My day starts early. I wake up at 7 o'clock. Sometimes I stay in bed for a few minutes and think about my day. Then I stretch my arms, yawn, and smile. I get out of bed and walk to the bathroom. I brush my teeth and wash my face. Cold water touches my skin and wakes me up. If I feel sleepy, I take a shower. A warm shower makes me feel fresh and ready. After my shower, I dry my hair and get dressed. I like to wear simple, comfortable clothes. If it's a work day, I wear formal clothes. If it's a holiday, I wear something casual. Then, I go to the kitchen. I make my breakfast, usually toast, eggs, and coffee. Sometimes I eat fruit or oatmeal. I like breakfast because it gives me energy for the whole day. While eating, I listen to music or check my phone. Sometimes I just sit quietly and enjoy the morning. Before leaving home, I check my bag. I take my phone, keys, wallet, and water bottle. Then I put on my shoes and step outside. Afternoon routine. After breakfast, I go to work. If I work from home, I open my laptop and start my tasks. If I go to the office, I take the bus or drive. When I reach my desk, I check my emails and plan my day. I write a short list, the things I need to finish today. This helps me stay organized. Sometimes I have meetings with my co-workers. We talk about new projects and share ideas. Other times, I work quietly on my computer. I focus and try to do my best. At 1 o'clock, I take a lunch break. I usually eat rice, vegetables, or a sandwich. Sometimes I eat with friends and talk about our day. It feels nice to take a break and laugh a little. After lunch, I go back to work. Sometimes I feel sleepy, so I drink water or tea. I keep working until I finish everything on my list. Around 3 or 4 o'clock, I take a small break. I stretch, walk around, or look out the window. A short walk helps me feel better and think clearly. When I come back, I work for 1 more hour. Then slowly, the day begins to end. At 6 o'clock, I close my laptop, pack my things, and get ready to go home. Evening routine. When I come home, I feel a little tired. I take off my shoes and sit down for a few minutes. Sometimes I listen to music or just close my eyes. Then I take a shower to wash away the tiredness. After that, I cook my dinner. I like simple food, maybe pasta, rice, or soup. If I'm too tired, I order food online. I eat my dinner quietly while watching TV or a short video. Sometimes I eat with my family and we talk about our day. It's my favorite time, relaxing and peaceful. After dinner, I clean the kitchen. Then I relax. I watch YouTube, read a book, or scroll through my phone. Sometimes I study English for 15 or 20 minutes. I listen to slow English videos or podcasts. At around 9:30, I go for a short walk outside. The streets are quiet. The cool air feels nice. I look at the stars and think about my goals. Night routine. When I come back home, I prepare for bed. I brush my teeth, wash my face, and change into my night clothes. I check my phone one last time. See the time, set my alarm, and put it away. Then I think about my day. I ask myself, what did I do well today? What can I do better tomorrow? Sometimes I write one line in my notebook. Today, I worked hard and felt good. Or, tomorrow, I will wake up early and stay positive. Finally, I turn off the light, close my eyes, and sleep. Sleep gives me energy for a new day, a new story. Ending message: every day is different. Some days are busy, some are calm. But one thing is true: each day gives us a chance to grow. When you talk about your daily routine in English, you practice real life. You learn the words you actually use every day. You don't need big grammar or difficult words, just small, real sentences. For example, I wake up, I eat breakfast, I go to work, I come home, I watch TV, I go to sleep. Simple English is powerful when you use it every day. So practice talking about your routine. Record yourself. Listen again. Each time, you'll sound more natural and confident. And remember, you're not just learning English. You're living in English, one sentence at a time. This is English Journey, and I'm Tom. Thank you for listening. Keep learning, keep smiling, and keep believing in yourself. See you in the next episode. Goodbye for now.